Okay, today I'm going to show everybody how to make a nuts and bolts energy bar. So pretty simple. The only cooking part of it is taking oatmeal and sunflower seeds, and then I typically add some flaxseed to that as well. So everything's out already. So we have 2 cups of oatmeal. You have a half a cup of bran flakes. Here is the 4th cup of sunflower seeds. And then you can take any kind of like mixed dried fruit. And then what holds everything together is peanut butter and some honey. So all we'll do is take this out, heat it up. You can either do it on the stove top or you can put it in the microwave. But we're gonna do it in the microwave today. It just saves a little bit of time. So the first thing we're gonna do is just more or less toast the oatmeal and the nuts. It only takes a little bit of time, but we'll just add it to an already greased pan and then wait until it gets a little bit brown. Sometimes these pop a little bit, so don't worry about that. And like I said, I'm gonna add a little bit of flaxseed to it, adds a little bit of protein, a little bit of taste to it. So typically about 3 tablespoons. Now we're gonna add half a cup of peanut butter, and then half a cup of honey. You can either do this on the stove top or I'm gonna do it in the microwave today. It doesn't take very long, so you can put it in maybe like 20-25 seconds, and then you'll take that out, stir it up, and everything will get combined into one bowl before you put it into your oven. So once it comes out, just stir it up. Okay, add everything into one bowl. What you do after this is just let it cool. So you just put it into the fridge